Morning, everyone. Today we are doing something pretty cool. We're going to be running the Duomo Tower stairs, 414 stairs straight to the top. So should be a fun one when you come to Florence. Make sure you check it out. As always, hit that like and subscribe. Let's do this Bell Tower stairs. One steps to go. Alright, that's area one. Guess we keep getting up here. Let's do it. Two, and high. More views. Let's keep going up. See how worn these steps are from all the people. So as you can see, several covered floors. We have a nice little break, which is good because let's do it. Bells, these are massive. All right, keep it going. Getting tight. Stairs. Alright, what do we got here? Whew. Hello. Is this the top? Oh, wow.
That wasn't so bad. Whew. Look at this. This is the highest point in Florence. And we got it all to ourselves for a couple minutes. Oh, look at this. So, obviously this is the Duomo behind me. You see a lot from here. That's the Gazzi art gallery we were at yesterday. They had the Venus de Milo and a bunch of other incredible paintings, Michelangelo's, Picasso's, just whatever you can imagine. And you can see the whole old city from here. Just absolutely stunning. Look in and enjoy. Let's take one more hot lap. Enjoy it.
It sound right, boys.
All right, what an awesome climb, climbing the Bell Tower stairs here at the Duomo. About to hit them back down. I think we go the same way. Yeah, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. See you guys on the next adventure.
It sound right, boys.
Tight turns in here. it. Woo. Morning run of the Duomo stairs. Awesome. Private view in the top, no one else. Can't ask for much more. Now it's time to get back to the pad. Let's do it.